Hi and welcome. My name's Tolan and I'm the co-founder of Productivity Meet. In this video, we're going to look at using the tab key in order to input information into a specific cell and then move to the right adjacent cell, meaning the cell immediately to our right. So with that, let's get started. In the last couple of videos, we were building out an example where perhaps we have a snapshot in time. Here we have different dates, and then we have the number of shares for a specific stock, as well as the share price, and we're going to try to calculate the value of our portfolio at these individual times. So again, we can input information by inputting that and pressing enter, or if we wanted to input information, we can press shift enter. If we want to input information and then move to our right, we can do this by pressing the number in our cell and then pressing the tab key. So again, I'm going to come down here, and I actually wanted this to be 1,000. Then we press tab and it would move over. So let's go here to the top of our data set, and let's say that we wanted to put 100, and then we tab over. Let's say that the share price was $20. We put it over, we tab over, and then this we could say is equal to the number of shares times the share price, and we press enter. Now, if we wanted to do a similar thing, press 200, enter. Let's say that it's now $21. We press tab over. Now watch what will happen when we're at the end of a row of a data set. So we're currently at the end of a row of a data set. Here we're in the final column. So when we say we're going to multiply the number of shares times the share price, when we press tab, it's not necessarily going to move over into column E, but it's going to go to the beginning of column A for the next row. So I'm going to press tab, and apparently I was wrong. If we had made this a table, then it would have bumped over. But apparently when you are in a cell and you press tab, then it's going to move over to your right. We're going to hit tab and move over to right. However, if we had made this a table, which we'll discuss in a later lesson, then when we input information here, tab over, this is equal to this times this. Then when we press tab, because it's in a table, it will move over. So again, we could press 500, tab over, 24. There's actually a lot faster way to do this, but clearly I suck at life. So this times this would equal that much. So the difference is when you press tab on a table, it would move over, and then when you input information into a tab and tab over in a table, it would again bump down. However, if we were to make this just a regular range, meaning that it's just a regular set of cells, we'll remove the formatting so that it's not confusing to anyone. Then when we input information here, when we press tab, it would move over. So the way that tab works, as well as the way that enter works, would depend on whether if it's just a regular range of information or if it's in the specific table format. If it's in the specific table format, such as coming here and going to insert table, then when you input information here, tab over, hit enter or tab, it would then move over. So that's a little bit of a difference between using information that is put into a table and information that is just put into a regular range. In our next video, we will look at using shift tab in a way to input data and then move to the cell on our left. So check that out in our next video. Thanks for watching.